Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURAINI HUMAIRA binti AZMAN. My metric number is 13DDT21F1102.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Siti NURAINI ATIKAH binti SUDIN. My metric number is 13DDT21F1082.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AHMAD bin AHMAD NISFU. My matrix number is 13DDT21F1127.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name AISYAH UMAIRAH binti MUSTAFA KAMAL. My metric number 13DDT21F1030.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SYED bin ZAINUDDin. Nama metric 13DDT21F1046. For create online presence in social media, for Facebook page, first step is click pages to create a new page from Facebook. Second step, click the create button, then click the button get started to the third step. For the fourth step, give the name of your business page. For the step 5, search your category for your business. Step 6, customize your page about pictures of your business. For the step 7, fulfill your phone number to connect WhatsApp to your page. And step 8, click button next and again. And last but not least, click the button done.
Okay, first of all, I want to explain how to create a Instagram page. First step, you have to click sign up to create a new account. Then, fill in the request information and click sign up. After finish, you will go to the main page of Instagram that was created. And now it's time to convert the account to a business account. First, click switch to professional account. After that, choose the suitable category for the business. Choose business and click next. And fill the company detail as shown below and complete all the steps given. Then complete all the profile, then click done. Instagram page is created.
Next, for the WhatsApp page, step 1, install the WhatsApp business app. Step 2, click the agree and continue button. Step 3, verify your phone number, and then click the get started button for the step 4. And for the last step, create your business profile and then click the next button, and then your WhatsApp business account created.
And now I want to explain how to create Telegram page. First step, you open the Telegram application. Select group to promote the product. Then choose the new channel option. After that, click the create channel. For the next step, enter profile picture, channel names and description. Choose whether public or private channel and set a link of the channel. Next, if you like to add contact, choose the contact and click next. And after that, the channel was created.
Soft sell refers to an advertising and sale approach that features subtle language and non-aggressive technique. A soft sell is designed to avoid angering potential customers and pushing them away. Because soft selling is a low-pressure, persuasive and subtle sale technique, it may not result in sale the first time a product is presented, but helps to encourage repeat sale. The next is the example of soft sell.
So I want to tell about mini a hard sell. A hard sell is an aggressive and high-pressure sales strategy used to convince potential customers to purchase something right away. It adopts a direct to the point and reasonable approach to explain the features, benefits and warranty of the product or service to the customers. So next is how does hard sell work. Hard sales focus on presenting direct and overt sales information about a product to the buyer. It forces the customer to make an immediate decision to buy a product or service. Usually, it occurs via short-term advertising, sign-up subscription, mail order ads, coupon, information, and is highly successful at doorstep selling. A salesperson with a thorough knowledge of the product and the customer intention can use this tactic more effectively. The salesperson assumes that the buyer is indecisive, price conscious, and hesitant about making a purchase. Next, they explain the consumer features, benefits, and other reasons to purchase a product. Also, they aggressively describe the product quality and how its uses can improve the customer life. Sometimes, the sales representative may use slogans about the product in high tones or pressure the customer to create a sense of urgency. It encourages the buyer to buy instantly. Finally, they may use marketing breaks, code calls, call to action, unsolicited features, and other similar methods to persuade a potential customer to make an immediate purchase.
This is the example for each of the copywriting technique. The first one is emotional appeal. The second one is storytelling. The third one is urgency. The fourth one is social proof. And the last one is direct benefit.